Hi there, this is Victoria from ChipBot, and today I'll be showing you how to install ChipBot on your Drupal site. You're first going to start by copying your code and heading on over to your Drupal dashboard. From there, you're going to click on Manage and then Structure. From Structure, you want to click on Block Layout. And so from here, we're going to go to Custom Block Library and add our own block. You hit Add Custom Block, you need to call it ChipBot Block. Then next, you need to change text format to full HTML. After that, then you can go ahead and hit source and paste your code. Make sure to save your code. And then from here, go to block layout. Scroll all the way down to footer bottom and hit place block. From here, you're going to search for ChipBot block. Place your block. Press save. After that, you can go back to your site and ChipBot will be in the bottom right-hand corner. If you need any help or have any questions, please email us at support@getchipbot.com. Also, if you can say ChipBot block 3 times fast, you'll get 1 month of ChipBot for free.